So I have made it my mission to make the perfect cup of latte and cappuccino. Now, in order to do that, you have to have the right amount of froth. Very important. And that's been very difficult to be able to achieve. So I have been playing this coffee game for years. And no, I don't mean that game. I mean this game. And so in order to be able to do that, you got to have the right amount of espresso, the perfect shot of espresso, and the perfect amount of froth. And I'm so excited to say that Bean Envy actually sent this to me to try out. And oh my goodness, this has absolutely changed the game. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cup of latte and cappuccino using this really cool tool where you simply just push this button. And no, it's not a detonator, although it kind of looks like it. But this is a great tool to be able to use. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you right now how I make the perfect amount of froth. And getting the right amount of froth has always been a really big pet peeve of mine. So we're going to go ahead and test this thing out right now. Now, before we get started, of course, we had to put two AA batteries right here in the back. Very easy to operate. It's got this really nice, soft silicone material, which I really like. To operate, all you simply do is push the button and let go, and it stops. And we'll go ahead and demonstrate for you. And that's how easy it is to use. Now, to simply use this, we put some, I put some 2% milk, but you could put whatever you want. There are different strategies for making the best froth, but I've got a little bit of 2% milk. Then I've got a couple of shots of espresso here. Then I got a little bit of sugar in a spoon, and we're ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create the froth. Then after you're done, I would suggest maybe putting it in the microwave for anywhere from 30 seconds to 45 seconds, you know, on the right warmth that you want, and then you're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So simply all you do is just put the milk frother inside towards the bottom, but not right on the bottom. And then you're going to turn it on. We're going to go in a circular motion. Now you can see that it's starting to get a little thicker. All right, so we got the right consistency that we want. And what we're going to do is you can actually just put it right back on the stand. Cleaning is actually very simple and easy. Now what I'm going to do is just pour a couple of shots of espresso inside. Now what I'm going to do is pour a little bit of sugar. Then we're going to stir. Now I want you to look at this. Okay, look at the froth. So now that we have the latte complete, we've got this level of thickness of your espresso, and then you have that level of thickness for your froth. Then what I would normally do is just stick this in the microwave for a little bit, maybe pour some caramel sauce on top, and then you're good to go. Now, I don't know about you, but that was pretty awesome. After making that latte and having that much froth in it, it was absolutely delicious. And I had the weirdest looking milk mustache I've ever had. A little too embarrassing. That's why I didn't want to put it on camera. But you know what? Next time I might actually do that just for your entertainment. Now, if you want to pick up this Bean Envy handheld milk frother, all you have to do is just go to the description of this video, and I'll include a link for you to be able to go and purchase it on Amazon. And there's also a link below to my Amazon storefront where I review products like this and many other products that I am so excited and passionate about because I only review things that I absolutely love. And I have companies that are sending me the most revolutionary, innovative products that I've ever seen, and I'm so excited to be able to share those with you. So if you want to see more reviews like this and see really cool stuff that you may have never seen before, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you're notified as the next video comes out. I'm actually looking at two products on my desk that I just got yesterday, and I haven't done the reviews yet, and I'm really excited because they look pretty amazing. I've actually never seen products like this before. So make sure that you subscribe. Look at the description below for all information that you need. So make sure that you check out this video because it's what YouTube is suggesting that you watch, and I'll see you on the next video.